Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Tecno Spark Go 2024 and let me share with you how to show the battery percentage on the status bar on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find the battery option, which is right here, the battery lab. Here we have to open battery settings, so let's tap on them, and as you can see the second option is connected with the percentage. In my case it is turned on. However, if you've got it turned off and if you've got only the battery indicator, simply tap on this switcher, and from now on your device will display the percentage inside the battery icon. We do not have, unfortunately, any other option to display the percentage, but still it is useful. Of course, you can turn it off just by tapping on the switcher again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.